Manuals. When you need to find some information in the manual, you no longer need to search through the paper version. The manuals are available in the My Škoda app. To find the manuals in the app, select your vehicle in the garage. Then click on the three-dot button in the upper right corner and select Manuals. Before you can start browsing through the manuals, you first need to download them. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, the download starts automatically. Otherwise, you are asked to confirm the download, as the package to be downloaded may be quite data-consuming. After the download is complete, you can see all the manuals that are available for your car. This is the complete owner's manual. Before you start, a separate section for the indicator lights, quick tips, video tips, and Simply Clever. Please note that the availability of the manuals depends on the vehicle model and production period. In the owner's manual, you can either navigate by chapters and categories or simply type in the desired keywords in the search bar and then select the relevant category. The respective page of the manual is open. If you want to open this page of the manual later, you can create a bookmark, which you can find later in the bookmarks. The Before You Start section works the same way as the owner's manual, only contains information that you should know before you start the vehicle. You can again navigate by chapters and categories, or simply type in the desired keyword in the search bar and then select the relevant category. The respective page of the manual is open. If you want to open this page of the manual later, you can create a bookmark, which you can then later find in Bookmarks. When you click on the indicator lights, you can see all the warning lights that you can find on your instrument cluster. Click on any of the lights to see the meaning of the warning light. When you click on Quick Tips and choose one of the items, you can see a series of instructional pictures that will help you solve the relevant issue. In the Video Tips, you can find instructional videos on how to operate different assistants and features within the vehicle. When you click on Simply Clever, you can see information about some smart solutions that you can find in your vehicle and how to use them. In some vehicles, you can also find the manuals directly in the infotainment. Online Destination Import. You can use this service to send selected destinations to your car's navigation system. You can send destinations to your car using the My Škoda app. Select the Trip Planner tile and the maps appear. You can search for your desired destination either using the search bar, by clicking into the map, or by selecting an event from your calendar. If you want, you can also find places that are near your destination, such as fuel stations, parking, restaurants, or supermarkets. Click on Nearby and then select your desired category of nearby places. This enables you to see the 20 closest nearby places on the map. Now you can click on each of the points on the map to see additional information, such as distance from the desired destination, if it is currently open or closed, and the contact telephone number. Once you have selected your destination, click on the button Show Route and then Send to Vehicle. Please note that the previous destination will be lost if not already downloaded to your vehicle. Therefore, if you wish to send 2 or more destinations to the vehicle, you need to send the first one, then download it in the vehicle, and then send another one and download it into the vehicle. You can also change the name of the destination. Finally, press Send. You can also send the destination to your car when searching for the destination in other map-based applications. For example, Google Maps. Once your desired destination is selected, press the Share button and select the My Škoda app. Once you give a name to your trip, press Send to Vehicle. You can now download the newly added destinations to your navigation system. Once you get in your vehicle and turn on the ignition, a pop-up window will appear on your infotainment system, informing you that the destination has been received. To start navigating to the desired destination, press View and then Start. If you want, you can also save the destination to Favorites or cancel the pop-up window. Online ventilation. With online ventilation, you can ventilate your vehicle for a predefined time of 10 minutes, which can be particularly useful during hot summer days. This service is currently available for the 4th generation of Škoda Octavia vehicles, which were produced after December 2020, are equipped with a 2-liter engine or with a towing device, and are not equipped with an auxiliary heater. You can start ventilating or set the departure time in the My Škoda app. Select the ventilation tile. If you want the ventilation to be initiated right away, click on the Start button and confirm by entering your S-PIN. Your vehicle will start ventilating with maximum intensity for the predefined time of 10 minutes. This time should be sufficient to change the air in the vehicle and lower the temperature in the cabin. If you want to stop the ventilation manually, simply click on Stop. The outside temperature can help you decide whether to start the ventilation or not. You can also set ventilation for a specific departure time, and the vehicle will start ventilating 10 minutes before this time, so that it is well ventilated when you set off. Click on the Schedule a Plan button. Here you can set individual days and times when you want the car to be ventilated. When you have selected the day and time, you can activate the timer, save and confirm by entering your S-PIN.